everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick here, and it's cold. Ooh. I would tell you how cold it is, but my car doesn't have a thermometer, so I don't know how cold it is, but brother, it's cold. It's chilly out, okay? I don't know if you can see all the snow. We had a little snowstorm last week. We might get another one at the end of this week. It's still kind of up in the air, too early to tell, but looks like maybe it's gonna be a white Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, I got the funniest card from my friend Emmy today. Emmy's one of my viewers, and I'm not going to show you the envelope because it's got like addresses on it and stuff, but I will show you the back of the envelope. Do you see this sticker? It says fragile. It's got the leg lamp on it. So those of you Christmas story fans out there, you will know what that means, and it's just funny. It makes me laugh. Fragile.
Fragile. It must be Italian.
Well, I think that says fragile, honey.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, the card is hysterical. So, no matter what your age, sorry, I'm trying to read it backwards. It's always fun to bonk someone on the head with an empty Christmas wrapping tube, and that is the truth. But, oh my goodness, look at those kids. So anyway, thank you, Emmy. That made a smile come to my face. I've actually been holding on to the card. I got it last week, but I've been holding on to it because I wanted to open it at Card Chat time so I could tell you thank you. Got some more mail today. Did you know that you were going to come and open mail with me today? Got a new Crochet World magazine. So I've also got some letters in there trying to get me to subscribe again. And I'm on the fence. I'm not sure if I want to subscribe again. I like the magazines. I like seeing them. But honestly, I have never made anything. I've never used any of the patterns. So I'm not really sure if I want to subscribe. But they make it pretty reasonable as far as price goes to subscribe. So I don't know. We'll take a look at it. Yeah, so this is the 31 must-make patterns to beat the winter blues. This is the February 2023. So they've already gone over my subscription, because I think it was supposed to end in December. But what I do like about this magazine is the last page of the magazine, and I'll show you, shows you all of the projects and what pages they're on. So these are all of the project ideas for the February issue. Whoops. And some of them look pretty cute. I really, this is the first I've seen them, so I'm looking at them backwards. But I like that set. That's cute. Yeah, so I don't know. Look at this, how funny. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you think. What would you do? Would you keep subscribing, or would you let it go? Probably we need to know how much it costs, right? That's a big factor. Big factor. Let's see what they've got. We'll check the bill and see. Don't you guys love opening bills with me? Do you guys want to pay them? Just kidding. Okay, so for 2 years, $35. That's what they're saying. 2 years, $35. It's the cover price for 2 years would be $77. Or I could just get 1 year for $20. Oh, I'll have to think about it. Let me know about your opinion on the matter. What would you do? What would you do if you were me? Anyway, so it is a fun magazine. I'm not saying that I don't like the magazine. I'm just saying I don't ever make anything that's in the magazine. All right, so you want to see a whip? I've got a whip. This whip's going to be whipped up by the end of the night, too. It's going to be done because it's a Christmas gift for a friend at work, and I want to give it to her by Wednesday, and it's already Monday, so I do want to finish it tonight. Isn't it pretty? I love this pattern. So this hat is called the Divine Hat, and I can give you the name of the designer when I get home and I'm editing, because I can never think of that stuff while I'm filming. But Fiber Spider did a tutorial on it, and I can read patterns. I don't have any problem reading patterns, but it's so much easier when someone's just telling you what to do. So I let Fiber Spider tell me what to do. Now, he did something different in his tutorial though. There's one section here. So it's from here to here. Okay, so this whole section, so it's that maybe 2.5 inches, maybe 3 inches. And the pattern calls for 7 rows of this, and that is what I did. I did 7 rows, and he said that he only does 4 rows and that it fits him fine. And 4 rows would be 1, 2, 3, right to there. So he's taking off like, I don't know, 1 inch or 1.5 inches. So I don't know. I tried it at his length, and I was like, no way. That would not fit my head. And I've got a pretty small bean. Like, I don't have a very big head. Usually I can get away with wearing the teen size patterns. So I don't know. I've never met Fiber Spider, but maybe he's got a smaller head than me. I don't know. Regardless, I love the pattern, and Fiber Spider does an amazing job with his tutorial. But if you do use his tutorial, measure it before you go with those 4 rows, because I think you need them. I think you need all 7 rows. That's my opinion. Just my opinion. Very good at telling everybody my opinion. Aren't we all? Aren't we all? Okay, sorry, I keep reaching into my bag down here, but I have stuff and I want to show you. I want to show you my stuff. So I went to the store. I went to Michael's yesterday. Busy place this the Sunday before Halloween. Halloween? The Sunday before Christmas. Got that out. That was tricky. So I bought a few things while I was at Michael's. The first one is these little, they call them claws? Yeah, lobster clasps. And I use these to make stitch markers. So I've been giving away stitch markers at every live stream, and mine are a little small, and so I wanted to get something bigger. So I got some new lobster clasps so I can make some more fun stitch markers. The next thing I got were some buttons, and these are some pretty fancy buttons. All different kinds, and actually some of them really just bring me right back to the 70s and my grandma. Like this one right here. I know that she had a sweater with buttons like that on it. Anyway, why am I buying these crazy buttons? That's your question, right? Well, I have an answer. I found this designer on Etsy and fell in love with her hats. So I am doing an entire Whippy Chicks picks. There's 25 of them. My favorite cloche hat patterns. I love a cloche hat. Love them. And I found some really beautiful patterns, but I also found a designer that I love. So I am making one of her hats, and I bought some yarn for this purpose. And I'll put a picture of the hat in the screen. So this is the red that I'm going to use for this hat. And then the brim of the hat is like gray. But it's kind of marled. Is that the word I'm looking for? I don't know. It's kind of got like different tones of gray. So you've got like white and then a light gray and a dark gray kind of combined in it. And it kind of looks almost furry or fuzzy. So I'm torn between whether to use this one on that brim or this homespun. So the homespun is definitely going to give it that fur look. And I don't mind using homespun. I know a lot of people hate using homespun because of the texture and the splittiness, but I don't mind using it as long as the hook is big enough. What do they call for? 6.5 millimeter. I don't know. I think that's pretty on. but the hat pattern only calls for a 6. So not sure whether to use the homespun or not. I also do love this Impeccables. So this is called White Tweed. And it's so funny because my my friend Olivia from, oh gosh, what's the name of her channel? Oh, Olivia, I'm so sorry. Why can't I think of the name of your channel? She's just Olivia. I just love Olivia. Anyway, she was just talking about this yarn the other day, and it's the tweed. Yeah, she likes it. And I was like, oh yeah, that's been out for a little bit. So this is the white tweed, and I think it's so pretty, and I think that it would look beautiful as a trim for this. But I also like the homespun. I think this is what I'm gonna go with. Anyway, once I have the brim of the hat done, I need to put a big, beautiful button on it. So hopefully I'll find something in my bag of buttons that will work. We'll see. We will see. I'm super excited about this project. And I cannot wait for that video to come out because I want to share all of my excitement with you. Because honestly, these hats, so pretty. Love them. Love them, love them. Okay, what else is going on? We're coming close to the end of the year, so I'm really excited about all the plans that I've got for the channel. I've got at least half of the year planned out for my live streams and my weekly videos. So that's exciting. For me, planning is half the work, for sure. Really excited about the website. I hope people start visiting it more because you can access so much of the stuff that I put out there right through the website. Like all of my patterns are free, and I also now all of my Pinterest boards, you go right to the board and there's no like jumping around with ads popping up in your face. You see a pattern you like, you click on it, and that's going to take you right to that pattern. I love that. I love that. I just do not like when I go on Pinterest and I see a picture of something I want to make, I click on it, and then it takes me to someone's blog, which has ads all over. And then I finally have to scroll through 50, projects before I find the one I want, click on that, and then it takes me either to another website or it's a broken link. By the time I get there, I don't want to make it anymore. It's just so frustrating. So my goal was just to get rid of all of that jumping around and just say, you like this? Here's how you make it. Click and you're there. That's my goal. That's my goal. All right. I was kind of on a soapbox. All right, guys, I hope you're doing great today. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas. I really enjoyed making it, and I can't believe it's almost done already. 25 days in a row of videos, almost done. This year was all garlands. If you haven't checked those out, go ahead and check them out, all of Vlogmas videos. And I don't know if it's too late to make a garland for this year or not. I don't think so. I think you've still got time. The ideas are all really simple and they shouldn't take long to whip up. What else? Thoughts and prayers, please, for my dad. He just had a very major surgery on Friday. Today's Monday, and he's doing well. But I know he'd appreciate it. He's such a great guy, and I just can't wait for him to get better and be back to his active self. So yeah, busy time. I'm rambling. I don't know why you want to listen to me ramble, but if you're still here, thank you. I appreciate it. Anyway, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to end this video. I can't wait to see you on Wednesday, which by the time I upload this, it'll be Tuesday, so tomorrow. If you want to join me for my live, we're going to talk about coupe crochet products. It's a new line that I don't know if it's a new line, but it's new to me line that I found on Amazon, and I've tried a few. They're different kinds of hooks, and I want to tell you all about those. So please join me on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and at the clubhouse, which is right here. It's just what I call it on Wednesdays. The Chicklet Clubhouse. Yeah, so it's going to be fun too. All right, I'm going to let you go. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're finding the beauty in it, and I hope you're enjoying this wonderful season and this time of year. I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.